Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by inspecting the ring and net. If the ring is bent or small, the net won't open. Once done, coil the net into stacked bundles on your throwing hand side so it deploys smoothly. You hold roughly 1/3 of the net near the lead line and let 2/3 fan on the ring. This balance creates momentum. Make a firm but relaxed grip on the ring, step forward, and begin a controlled overhand swing to launch the net. Once the net is airborne, you must control rotation to open it fully. You use a circular wrist snap while rotating your torso and stepping through. This combination converts your energy into centrifugal force so the ring flattens and the mesh spreads. Make sure to keep your fingers clear of the mesh and avoid gripping the lead line mid-flight, as that causes clumps. If the net begins to wobble, reduce wrist motion and rely more on body rotation You let the net sink until the lead line contacts the bottom. Use a short count to estimate depth once you know the water. Then retrieve steadily by pulling the retrieval line toward you at a slight angle so the weights drag and the skirt closes into a pocket, trapping fish. If the net starts tangling, stop immediately, free the ring and mesh with a shake and quick flick, then resume. This prevents worse snags and preserves your cast net for the next throw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.